Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you to our Sunday webinar dedicated to the activities of FT Holding Trade and its tools. Today, we will talk about how, for many years now, a large number of people have been changing their lives for the better, living life to the fullest, earning automatically thanks to our systems and our tools, changing their daily routines, perhaps even their line of work, and of course, gaining financial independence and confidence in the future. And today, we will be conducting this webinar for you. My name is Natalia Perfileva, and my colleague is Ekaterina Dorofeeva. Katya, the floor is yours.
Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings, Natalia. Today, we will indeed talk about how you can earn money in financial markets, international financial markets, from 5 to 15% per month and make a profit of over 100,000 rubles. So, dear friends, let's begin. Today, we are going to start our discussion by talking about the important fact that the company known as FT Holding Trade, which is the very entity that provides you with this unique opportunity, is actually quite committed to your success. Is a market leader in the field of automated trading. It is FT Holding Trade that has developed software that executes trades automatically in the Forex and cryptocurrency markets, bringing its clients an average of 5 to 15% per month on their deposit, which amounts to over 100% per annum. The uniqueness of this tool lies in the fact that it was created by professional traders and programmers. They poured everything they had into it, all their experience, all their knowledge, and their strategies. And thanks to the creation of this program, today each of you can earn money in the Forex and cryptocurrency markets, regardless of your age, level of expertise, or what you currently do for a living, what your profession is, or what your daily schedule looks like. Since trades are executed automatically, you can calmly use this time to focus on things that are important to you while still earning money. And the uniqueness of this tool lies in the fact that we provide installation, support, and constant improvement of our algorithms by our specialists. And you can, without having any special knowledge, without becoming a professional in the field of trading, and without analyzing the market, calmly earn money and lead a lifestyle that is accessible and interesting to you. And the main goal of the company, the reason why this was created in the first place, is of course to generate profit for our dear clients automatically, ranging from 5 to 15% per month. And at the same time, there are important factors that currently attract clients, users, and people from all over the world, attracting them and sparking interest in our product. And users are also actively expanding their portfolios by purchasing multiple instruments. So your funds are located in your personal brokerage account. So the company FT Holding Trade, after all, is an IT company, and it is not possible to deposit or place your funds into this digital software. Therefore, you have your own separate brokerage account where your funds are held, and these funds are accessible only to you. You do not transfer your money to the company, and in this way, you can earn without going through any long training courses. Your activity in monitoring and managing this digital program will take, well, no more than 5 minutes a day. And our support team will help you with the maintenance and servicing of your program. So the main product I was just talking about is that very digital program. It is the trading system of the company FT Holding Trade. And during the company's existence, 6 lines of trading systems have been developed, trading according to different algorithms. We need algorithms so that the system can trade during different market phases, because the market is constantly trading. The market operates 24/5, and thus it has different periods. There is growth, there is decline. And these periods, our trading systems are specifically tuned to these periods so that they trade constantly and you receive regular profit. These 6 lines of trading systems include 23 trading systems. They all differ in risk levels and types. We will definitely talk about this later and reveal to you the full depth of these lines. And each of them has a different level of income and a different risk distribution, because traders who trade manually come to us. We have beginner users coming to us who have never encountered the market at all. We have people coming to us who have some initial knowledge and based on our training, get involved. And with the help of this knowledge can regulate, yes, the profit they receive. Therefore, this spectrum, yes, and such a broad approach of the company to the individual needs of our clients is exactly what allows us to achieve the stated profitability and distribute risks, which is very important in the market today. And of course, our systems are divided into automatic and semi-automatic. This type, it allows you to choose. Most beginners come and start with automatic trading systems. Well, and those who already have some knowledge and skills are more interested in semi-automatic systems, since in this product they can influence the profit. And different types of investors are united by one goal, and that is to earn additional funds that will help them realize their desires, dreams, and goals, or to strengthen their capital. Our company operates officially. We approach our work with the utmost seriousness, and from the start, we sign agreements and discuss all terms with our partners. And now Natalia will tell you more about this.
Thank you, Ekaterina. So our company is officially registered and has the registration number 2,156,676. We have been cooperating with our partners for a long time, and of course, we value every client and partner. And that is why we have prepared an offer agreement, which is concluded with absolutely every client, and of course, regulates the rights and obligations of each party. You can familiarize yourself with this agreement by scanning the QR code you see on the screen. An agreement is concluded with every user, and the rights and obligations are specified. And our registration is located in the British Isles. Why did we choose the British Isles? Because it is a jurisdiction that is currently in demand all over the world, and it is precisely its reliability and confidentiality that make it attractive. Among the well-known companies registered there, we know of ones like Telegram. It is the second most popular messenger in the world, used by 1 billion active users. The company Bitfinex also belongs here. It is one of the oldest and largest global platforms for cryptocurrency trading, registered in 2012. Arcos Dorados is the world's largest franchisee of the McDonald's restaurant chain in Latin America. And as of March 31st, 2023, 372,500 companies were registered in this jurisdiction. This indicates that large international companies of a high level, which strive for scale, global opportunities, and development, register here. And we, of course, are no exception. We are among them. Our company was founded in 2020, but the release of the first system took place in 2017. And that was the classic system, which we will talk about in more detail today. And of course, we will tell you all about it. It is well loved. 92% of our partners use it. And of course, our staff interacts with our clients, providing support and assistance. Our staff consists of 30+ people. These are specialists who work for the benefit of the company and ensure the high-class service that is, of course, provided to our clients. And we cooperate with more than 20 countries around the world. These include Russia, the CIS countries, America, Mexico, Israel, and countries in Europe and Asia. This is such a large and extensive range of countries we interact with. Our company has been conducting large-scale international business since 2017. And this, of course, is a very significant period of time. So what exactly do we do? Our company operates at the intersection of software, product development, and financial instruments. On one hand, we have developed a software product, and on the other hand, we have automated it and implemented it into financial markets. In other words, we have created tools that operate in financial markets instead of a human. And our main goal is to make auto trading accessible to everyone so that absolutely anyone can stably receive passive income of 5 to 15% per month, even without expertise in trading or investments, regardless of what you do or what your line of work is.
And our team has grown and scaled over this time, and professional traders and programmers are working on our products. We have different departments, and now we will tell you about them in detail. Professional traders are a staff of developers and those people who test trading systems. Yes, before releasing a system to the market, it undergoes more than one test. And then, yes, this strategy will be implemented into automated systems and presented to our users. This helps users to already receive a stable, concrete product that works, yes, for their benefit. And all of this is done, among others, by the team of programmers, because those complex technologies that are on the market today are being integrated into our tool, thereby making it simple and understandable for our users. This is the analytics department, which works with data, identifies growth points, helps to improve systems in a timely manner, and ensures stability and predictable profit. Predictability of results, because you no longer have to analyze the market and do trading on your own. Trading is, in general, a lifelong profession. Of course, there is our technical support, which works 24/7, providing you with access to the system, answering various questions, helping you understand how the system works, and solving technical issues. And we have live broadcasts that are held for all users. You can ask our programmers, traders, and developers questions in real time. And you also have VIP service where you receive an individual solution to your question. This, of course, creates comfort for our users, which ensures calm, yes, and steady participation in the market. The marketing and media department is about developing our brand. Today, we are telling people about our tools in simple language. This builds trust and attracts new users. Let's talk about what a trading system actually is. It is that very program that executes trades automatically in financial markets according to specially defined algorithms created by professional traders. And of course, it is monitored by our team of developers. So this system makes decisions about buying and selling assets. In other words, you don't do it yourself. It does the thinking for you. It analyzes the market in a minimal amount of time and earns money on the difference in currency exchange rates. To put it simply, imagine that you bought a dollar today for 80 rubles, and after some time, you sold it for 86 rubles. In this way, 6 rubles would be your profit, which is deposited into your personal brokerage account. And only you decide at what moment, yes, and in what way to use this profit. And the most interesting thing is that there is no psychological or human factor in this system. It has no greed, it has no haste, it has no fatigue or other problems inherent in humans, problems that can affect, yes, influence the decision made, when to take a trade, yes, or the analysis. And thus, this ensures stable and regular profit. And you only need to monitor the system, which, thanks to our services, takes you 2 to 5 minutes a day. The system works exclusively on your account. And it is very important to emphasize this because we do not have trust management, we have direct management, and you independently control the entire flow of your funds. Therefore, your funds are not held in the company's accounts. You decide for yourself when you will top up, when you will use the funds, when you will turn on the system, when you will turn off the system. Yes, the system can be turned on and off, and that is entirely your decision. And everything happens from your personal trading account. And thanks to all these conditions combined, yes, the conditions provided by the company, the conditions already contained within the tool, and the services that directly help you, this is exactly what allows you to consistently earn an income of 5 to 15% per month, which averages out to an annual return of over 100% per annum. That is why our tool is interesting on the market today, because it can become a worthy expansion of your existing portfolio or a good start that will help you multiply your capital or strengthen your savings. Therefore, the average yield without withdrawing profit with compound interest will be more than 200% per annum. And our systems are divided in a global sense, yes, into 2 types of trading systems, automatic and semi-automatic. Now let's look at the differences between these tools. So automatic systems, they execute trades accordingly in automatic mode. That is, they work independently and they are most often used by beginners. They come, purchase 1, 2, or 3 systems, study them, and get, yes, the desired percentage of 5 to 15% per month. They do not require expertise and are perfectly suitable for everyone, even beginners. and the time commitment is 2 to 5 minutes a day. So the cost of such a trading system is $650, and the minimum deposit is $100. And along with these, we have semi-automated systems, which of course require more involvement and more control. Yes, you can already influence the settings yourself, thereby generating more profit. And here we are talking about 10 to 30% or more per month. The time commitment is 30 to 60 minutes. And this product is suitable only for experienced users or traders. The price starts from $1,000, yes, and the minimum deposit is also $100.
Next, we will go over the product lines we have available, from which you can build your own portfolio. The company has developed 6 lines of trading systems, and we will now discuss why and what this is needed for. Of course, different people come to the company with different capital and different goals. And our task is to ensure that everyone receives their own stable, increased income. And that is why we have developed several lines that operate using different algorithms and in different financial markets. Why is this necessary? We must understand that the market is a living organism. It is constantly changing. What does this mean? New players with different capital are entering, and the business environment and interests are changing. Therefore, it is impossible to predict the market's mood. But we have created each algorithm to adapt to the different moods of the market. And the very first line we developed, which I already mentioned today, is the classic line. It is loved by all our partners, and 92% of our clients own it. And this line trades both against the trend and with the trend. That is, it has 2 strategies which allows it to generate stable profit without sharp fluctuations. The next line, which was developed in 2022, is the trend line. Its unique feature is that in our unstable geopolitical times, sharp movements occur in the market. So this line knows how to use and uses technical analysis in conjunction with indicators, and it executes more accurate trades by recognizing the trend. It's a very interesting line, which is also used by a large number of our partners. The third type is the hybrid line. Here, the classic and trend lines have been combined. This is a unique development that allows for the use of indicator-based and mathematical solutions, enabling the closing of twice as many trades. It is precisely on this line that our partners have learned to manage the settings of the trading system with the help of special focus groups created within our company. These groups train our partners on how to manage their trading system settings in order to reduce risks and increase their profitability. The fourth type is the mathematical line. This line operates based on mathematical algorithms using indicators and closes trades quickly. It is ideal for diversifying your investment portfolio. And the counter trend line, we have now arrived at the semi-automated versions. That is, those versions that are suitable only for experienced users, not beginners. These are already experienced traders and investors who use all the previous lines, yes, and at the same time want to increase their profitability in order to expand their portfolio and earn more. This is a feature of this line, that it works stably during any market movements. It earns money both in sideways movements and in trending ones. And it knows how to take profit on corrections when the market pulls back after a strong impulse. And the next line is the 6th cryptocurrency line, which is also semi-automatic and suitable for experienced users. And I think the name itself already tells you which instruments it works on. These are crypto assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. And the special feature of this line is that it has 2-way protection for trading deals. And all the lines undergo verification and meet all the reliability parameters and quality standards of our company. And in total, the 6 lines provide a well-diversified portfolio within the company across different assets for our users. So let's take a look at each line and see what else is inside. Inside, there are versions, yes, meaning our lines are further subdivided into conservative, rational, and aggressive versions. Why is that? We proceeded from different types of investors. We identified 3 types of investors. Who might the conservative version be suitable for? The conservative version is suitable for people who want to protect their capital from inflation. These could be families, professionals, or entrepreneurs, yes, who are prepared for a moderate, even if not high income. They are creating an additional source of income for themselves without excessive risk. And such a conservative system can bring you up to 5% return per month. The trading balance for this line is $5,000, and the minimum deposit to start trading is $100. The rational version. Who is it suitable for? These are people who are already prepared for moderate risks for slightly higher returns. These could be entrepreneurs or investors who already have their own financial goals. This includes scaling a business or building capital over 1 to 3 years. That is, financial goals that are already visible in the medium term. The profitability of such systems ranges from 7 to 15% per month, and the trading balance is up to $3,000. The minimum deposit is also $100, with which you can already start trading. And of course, the aggressive versions are versions for people who have the goal of earning a good profit, a good income over a short distance. But again, this line is suitable for more experienced users, investors, and traders who understand what the market is, how to manage risks, how to manage their deposit capital settings in order to maximize their profitability and at the same time be able to control their portfolio, their risk profile. And this particular line brings in from 10 to 15% monthly return with a trading balance of up to $3,000. The minimum deposit is exactly the same as for the previous lines. That is $100. Starting from $100, you can already begin to try out this tool and study it. Thus, you get the opportunity to figure out how trades are opened, how they are closed, how income is generated, how profit comes in, and where it comes from. And then you can consciously make a decision about increasing your deposit, expanding your portfolio, purchasing new lines of trading systems, and building your long-term cooperation, your strategy with our company. Let's talk about today. How many clients are there in the company in total, and how many trading systems have been purchased? Because this is very important. This speaks to how much we are trusted, how the company is developing, how it treats its partners, and how it is constantly improving its products and developments. In total, 20,500 trading systems have been purchased from us. Just think about that number. And there are more than 7,000 clients of the company. This, of course, speaks to the scale, to the development, to the fact that we never stand still. We are always moving along with the market. We track indicators. We improve our algorithms. And in this way, our partners, each one, yes, acquires more and more new products because we like it. Yes. That is why, on average, there are 3 trading systems per user. And this doesn't mean that every person acquires 3 trading systems. It could be one. Someone starts with 1 trading system, someone with 10, yes, someone acquires more later on. Some people have 100 systems and so on. But on average, per person, there are 3 trading systems. What is this connected to? I already talked today about the fact that we have different algorithms. Also, Ekaterina mentioned, yes, that we have 23 types of trading systems. And what is this connected to? In investments, there is a concept called diversification. That is, as an ordinary person would say, yes, don't put all your eggs in one basket. So diversification is the distribution of your assets among various instruments with the goal of minimizing risks. So with our tools, such diversification, like using different lines of trading systems, is an invisible shield that makes risk a manageable and controllable instrument. And this is very important. And as soon as a person begins to understand this, they also immediately acquire other lines of trading systems that trade using different algorithms in order to receive even more profit and income. Ekaterina.
Thank you, Natalia. And dear friends, we are now going to talk to you about what steps need to be taken in order to become a partner, a user of the trading system. These steps have been taken many times over the years by our numerous partners. And the most important step is the purchase of a trading license specifically for our system. You do this on the company's website after first registering. The second step is renting a remote server and monitoring. These two services allow you to carry out trading regardless of whether you have internet access or whether your gadget, phone, laptop, or tablet is turned on. That is, when you have the system installed on your remote server, firstly, you have independent access to it. Yes, you can manage it, turn it on and off specifically through the remote server, and also trade around the clock, even when your device is turned off, which of course creates a safe, stable, a stable operation of our systems. And then there's the monitoring system, which you could even call a pocket accountant, that collects all the statistics and analytics, so you don't need to log into the remote desktop every time. It's enough to open the monitoring where you can see all the indicators, how your assets are performing, how trades are opened, in which direction, and the percentage of profit earned for the day, week, or month. And essentially, this helps you maintain control in just 3 to 5 minutes, because it's enough to open this service installed on your phone, and in a short time, you get all the analytics and statistics and already understand your further actions. The third step, the first essential step, of course, is opening your own trading account with a broker. And this process is important because it allows you, yes, to manage your funds independently, giving you more control over your investments. You can have several trading accounts, because for each trading system, you will have a separate account, which you will be able to top up, yes, and be able to make a profit. Therefore, you go through this registration officially, go through verification, and essentially become, yes, the owner of a trading account. The fourth step, a very important one, is the installation, configuration, and launch of the trading system. This is where our technical support team steps in, which does this within 24 hours, notifies you about it in the Telegram bot, and says that your system is set up, launched, and ready to work. It is precisely after this step that you immediately start earning and making a profit. Next, you get access to our technical briefings, which are conducted by technical support. And so in order for you to complete all these 5 steps, you need to contact the person who invited you here, the user, or from whom you heard about the opportunity to make a profit with our products. They will help you take these 5 steps. It doesn't take much time, just under an hour. And over the years, the company has made these steps so accessible and understandable that you can receive this kind of VIP service right from the start. Then let's talk about our technical support, that the very service that our partners sometimes even call a care service. Because professional technical support helps you to effectively control the entire system, it also manages all necessary updates for you. This ensures that your trading process remains incredibly stable and regular, giving you the confidence to focus on your strategy. Because after all, a trading system is a digital program. Yes, a digital program that needs technical maintenance, and you get that, yes, with the help of our trading system, our technical support. So let's take a look at how our technical support works. Its uniqueness lies in the fact that you are not working with a robot or a bot. You are working with real people. Today, of course, it is a team of 30 plus people who are with you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and whom you can contact about literally any questions related to trading, and of course, get an answer from a professional. This kind of service, specifically the fact that it works with you on an individual basis, yes, and the fact that real people answer you, is highly appreciated by our users. Because working with a real person, communicating with a real person, and resolving your issue individually is very mutual cooperation, and any technical issues are resolved very quickly. After all, our goal is to make your trading as simple, stable, and effective as possible. And your task is to relax while receiving stable profits, encountering fewer errors, seeing fewer, difficulties, and of course, eliminating the human factor. That is why our technical support is the highlight of our service, which is available to every one of our users. And now we will talk about what a brokerage company is, what a trading account is, and what opportunities you have to use your assets. So, dear friends, practically the most important question for every investor is where my money is kept. This is a very important question. And today we will talk about a brokerage company, about the place where your money is kept safely and securely. And you must understand that we are not an investment company. We do not take money for management or anything like that. All money is in your personal brokerage account. And an ordinary individual is not legally allowed to make trades on the market. So they give an order to the broker, and the broker then executes the buy and sell trades on their behalf. So who is a broker? A broker is an intermediary between a person or organization wishing to buy or sell currencies, stocks, bonds, and other financial instruments on the stock exchange. And only you are responsible for depositing and withdrawing funds from the brokerage account. It is convenient for us to use the services of a broker because we have no obligations to the broker. At any time, we can start trading and stop trading. There are no hidden fees. We only pay a commission for opening and closing a trade. And even then, this commission is deducted automatically from our profit, so we practically don't notice it. What is a brokerage account? A brokerage account is a special account for trading securities on the stock exchange. It is opened only with a broker, a professional participant in the securities market. And the broker acts precisely as an intermediary that helps us enter the market and start making a profit, start executing trades. And today we are going to talk about how to start your journey in auto trading. Today we had a fantastic presentation where
you have seen and heard important, useful information that can truly change your financial trajectory, turn your understanding of the world of finance upside down, and show you how to earn an income without going to work. And of course, when you make a decision, you need to make sure that this decision to purchase our product, to have the support of our company, which has been supporting our clients for many years, is your own personal decision and not one imposed from the outside. Think about the goals you are pursuing. Perhaps you want to receive daily passive income or monthly. Perhaps you want to save up for something. For example, a down payment, a car, a trip, a fur coat, or some other goals. Or perhaps you want to cover your monthly obligations. Therefore, having thought all this over, you still need to consult once more with the person who invited you to this webinar, agree on your own individual strategy by which you will move towards your financial goals, and determine your choice of trading system, which system to start with, whether it will be one system, 5 systems, or 10. Everything depends on your financial capabilities and on what exactly you want. And of course, start trading. With what deposit can you start trading? We have already talked about the minimum deposit today. It is $100 with which you can already try, experiment, and test your trading system. But of course, if you are talking about more serious money, then you can start with a larger sum and also with several trading systems. You can discuss all of this with the person who invited you. And the registration process that Ekaterina just described will take you about 30 minutes. And of course, our company has prepared some surprises for you. And now Ekaterina will tell you what awaits you.
Dear friends, right now, at this very moment, our company is holding the hottest giveaway of the summer. And it is truly hot because what the company has prepared for our users will leave a lasting impression in their hearts and memories. Yes, a pleasant feeling and a lingering aftertaste from collaborating with the company and winning a nice prize. Because everything that each of our users wins, of course, stays with them and reminds them that they receive such a pleasant bonus for having made a decision at some point, for wanting something different, for being able to come to a webinar like this, hear about the opportunities, and take advantage of them. Because really, it is one thing to hear about an opportunity, and another is to take advantage of it and take specific actions. So our hot summer giveaway has already started. Since June 1st, our users have set themselves the goal of becoming the owners of these prizes. And in fact, this is not the first giveaway from the company. And if you subscribe to our channel, you will get the link at the end of the webinar. If you subscribe to our channel, you will be able to meet these people online and hear their feedback, those pleasant emotions and impressions they got from winning. And the dates are from June 21st, 2026 to September 1st, 2026. So the giveaway is gaining momentum right now. You still have the opportunity to participate. I will tell you about what we have prepared as a prize. And there are two categories of prizes here. The first category is Apple technology and the trading system itself. That is, you can purchase the trading system now, participate in the giveaway, and become the owner of not only Apple technology, but also receive another trading system as a gift. And look at what a wonderful start. And this could truly become that landmark event in your life, which I am sure you will never forget. So we are raffling off a MacBook, an iPhone 17 Pro Max, Samsung tablets, Apple Watch, yes, the watch, and AirPods Pro headphones. This is, of course, the trading system. And it's not just one, yes, not just one position, it's several positions. Thus, our giveaway is taking on such a large scale, yes, a large scale appearance, because it's not just one user winning, but over 50, yes, prizes in total, if we add up the total number of prizes. Therefore, FT Holding Trade is gifting tech to you for your activity. You can familiarize yourself with the terms yes directly on our channel. All the necessary information is in the pinned message there. But I will add that in order for you to purchase a ticket to participate in the giveaway, you need to purchase a trading system, get value, yes, or simply see an opportunity in this and share it. Make 2 recommendations to your inner circle, to friends, to those people whom you would like to wish for important financial changes in their lives and receive the coveted ticket. And the second category of prize is the main one, I would say, the prize, a trip to Georgia, where you can go with the company's leaders, with the company's users, with those people who have been with us for more than 5 years already, and of course, recharge with pleasant impressions. This will be a joint vacation, yes, and various excursions specifically around Georgia, yes. It's wonderful Georgian cuisine, it's magnificent mountains, sunsets, sunrises, nature. And these emotions, they make up our life. They make us, yes, grand on the inside. They change our mindset. We are opening up new people, new horizons for ourselves. And of course, we want more in this way. Therefore, I am pleased to invite each of you to take advantage of the terms of this giveaway to participate and receive the cherished and desired prize. And what is important for you to do right now, Natalia?
So what should you do if you have decided to become our partner and use our product? Of course, our company is an entire community of financially free, developing people, which today unites people in order to move together towards financial freedom and independence. And we absolutely believe that every person can reach their goals if they surround themselves with the right people. We regularly hold online and offline events based on our platform. We also have these wonderful promotions and giveaways that provide truly global opportunities to change your life for the better and gain new financial freedom, a new direction, and of course, confidence in the future. Therefore, we invite everyone to become a member of our community. This is an entire field where we develop, grow, exchange experience, and of course, get rich. To stay up to date with our news, subscribe to our main Telegram channel. The QR code is on the screen. You can scan this QR code to join our channel. And if, of course, you have already made a decision today, or if you still have any questions, contact the person who invited you to get a detailed consultation on your questions and purchase the trading system. And I'm not saying goodbye to you today. Our next meeting will be next Sunday. I wish you a great evening to figure out our products and to understand the information you received today. I thank Ekaterina for conducting this wonderful webinar today. And of course, I say to you, until we meet again, I wish everyone a wonderful mood, kindness, and all the very best.
Thank you, Natalia. Bye, everyone. Bye.